What? Okay, just stay there. Hamilton 284 pin 209. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko yung carpet. Gusto kasi ni mami ko brown daw. Brown 180. Brown. I like this one. Gibson 209. So my budget ako 180. Yes. There. Si Piken. Ang maganda to. Hamilton Carbon 284. 209. First choice Caterpillar. But this is indoor metal plate and New Balance.
How's it going? Have you seen anything that
Yeah.
catches your eyes?
No?
Have you seen anything that catches your eyes?
Yeah, first choice here.
There's the king.
This is okay for the indoor, no?
Oh yeah, this is good. No, this is good for indoor.
No.
Very good.
But this is standard, like because the company have email for me that it says this, no?
Everything here is
Yes,
CSL.
it's approved. Yeah.
Everything is CSL.
So yeah.
There's no show my wall. There's no CSL. Yeah, even this Puma that looks like a running shoe.
This one, there's no other color. This one
No,
only.
that's just the color I have. Yeah.
So this is waterproof also. Oh, this is leather, right?
It's leather, right? So,
But-
but there's no waterproof membrane in this one. But as you know, leather is water
Yeah. If
repellent.
it will get wet, so what happened? It will easy to damage.
Like I said, there's no water. It does not have a waterproof membrane, but it's leather, right? So if water splashes on it, it should be fine. So if you're not dipping the whole shoe inside water, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's leather. Leather
So,
is okay with
so I mean, the color will fade or something
yeah.
change. It fade. Oh. I think it's 9 this one. Ah, no.
So I've got 9 in both of them.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna check this.
Ito.
So this is 8.5.
Ah, okay, 9 exactly. I like. So,
So I'm just gonna.
kanya. Okay.
You want to try this one on first?
Okay, just I will try all.
It's exactly. It's going to be. Why I collected it from is because I need to pull out the paper. There's also paper. in
Okay,
that
okay.
one. So you're just gonna be patient, and I'm going to help. And do you want me to put the insole in the shoe already?
Maybe I like this one. Brown. Right. Martha, you like this one? You like this one or the brown one? Pinapili, no? Yes, you like this one? Okay. I think I choose this. Huh? Wait, the other one. Huh? Like it. Or this one. No, I already have there. Put it back. Okay. Oh, this is good.
That's good.
Maybe I like this comfortable.
So do you want to put the insole in that one or this one?
Wait.
So that's the insole inside.
Sorry, insole.
Yeah.
Just put here. Try this one. Maybe I choose this one. Okay, brother, I will take this one.
That sounds good. I'm just gonna put the insole in the left leg already ready to wear for you.
Okay, just put.
Yeah, and that
Oh, this is original. Just put on here. Martha. We'll see here. Come here, come. It's dirty. Don't lean. Sauce. I'm scared. Why are you scared? We'll see here if there's any long sleeve. Nothing here. Nothing. Come here. Ayan, naka-clearance. But I don't like this.
You want this one?
Huh?
You want this one?
This for girl. For mommy.
Would that be everything for today?
Hey, look, it's finished.
Finished milk?
Yeah.
Wow. Yan guys, nandito kami ni Aling Malit sa Mr. Safety Shoes. Bumili tayo ng shoes. Ito, New Balance. Yan.
Look,
Ito, New Balance.
this for you.
179. Not bad. Pang rubo-rubo ba? Pang rubo-rubo, Martha. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng insole. Ito, Mega Comfort, $39.
Daddy,
Oh, the dog is going now.
Daddy, look.
Huh?
I'm finished.
Oh wow, not yet finished.
I'm finished.
Finish it.
Finished.
The dog will angry.
You finished.
Oh, naiiwan. Martha, not finish the milk? Oh no. Martha, why not finish milk? Oh, put there. Later I put in the bag. Put on it. So let's go. Huh?
Supermarket.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I go to supermarket.
Yeah, we go to the supermarket.
And buy toys.
Toy? But yesterday you buy bike. What do you want buy today? What toy you want?
I want the monster truck.
Monster truck.
Yeah.
Oh no. That's scary. Huh?
It's not a monster. It's a monster truck.
Ah, okay. Monster truck only. Ay,
Look, there is
What?
slimy.
slimy? Okay, let's go. Sa oras ng 1:26.
I going to buy monster truck.
Monster truck?
Monster truck.
We'll see.
I going to buy monster truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go tayo. Doon sa tayo pupunta. We go in. Except tayo.
Look at the airplane.
Under the
Look
boughs
at the
where
airplane.
shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Seafood City ni Aling Maliit. Hi Aling Maliit. Kiss dali. Say hi. Ayan o. Seafood City. Kasi malapit lang dito eh. Let's go. Go, go, go. That
Lemon.
lemon?
Yeah.
Okay. No, put here.
Okay, I help you.
No, only 5. That's okay na.
I want
Ah. Lagay ng lagay. I told you, that's enough. I already take the lemon.
I think. Oh, not again.
You don't like again.
You told you the
What's this?
I want.
Avocado? You want to eat avocado?
I want banana. Daddy, no.
Don't banana? You want banana?
Yeah.
Sure? Calamansi. You like that one? May I see? How about gustong? Better this one. Small.
Yeah.
Ha?
More.
Ha?
Oh, like this.
Wait. Double. No. You need only original. You eat only original.
What?
This one.
What? What, Daddy? What?
Okay. That's enough na. That's okay for you? Sure? What else?
I want
Toy? Oh no, toy. Ah, may kulang pa yung ano ko. Wait.
I'm sitting down.
Ikaw ah.
I can't touch.
Dalagang bukid. Yan ang gusto natin. Yung bangos oh. Ito na kayo. Hindi na to. Tuloy natin mamaya. Bangos. Norwegian mackerel. Fiona. Fiona, what are you doing? Sorry. Gusto namin to. Paksiw. Paksiw. Dirty oh, kasi you see the fish. Makulit si Martha. Parang mahapit to. Mas gusto ko to. 11. Gusto ko to. Ang luma na to. Dito tayo. Balik natin to. Balik. Dito tayo ng frozen tito. Ah. Ano ba to? Martha, don't take the ice, it's dirty, look. You smell. You smell your fish. Mamoy. Pig, oh, pig. Ito na tayo. Ang dami naman ito. Family savings 19. Pang adobo. Pang adobo. Hey, come here. Don't do that. Pang adobo. Patayin ito. Ang dami naman ito, 15 lang, tapos ito 14. Pork na naman, sabi ni Coco. Pork ham, pang estopado. May luto na akong kumuha na naman, oh. Ha? Mag-spaghetti daw si mami ko. Wait, ito. Ay! Bigyan mo yung hot pandesal. Hot pandesal? Huh? Oh. Let's go.
Airplane.